I'm from Northeast Portland. I've seen the changes. I've seen how gentrification has impacted these communities. White supremacy is predicated on land ownership. It's all about how do we take land, build wealth, and take wealth from other communities that are vulnerable.
I'ma keep rocking till these vocals feel like strep. The bar never set low. Farms where the rep goes.
I'm Randal Wyatt, founder, executive director of Taking Ownership PDX. Right out of high school, decided to start a hip hop career.
Yeah, I'm the one. And if I have to do it, I'll be.
And then I became a father of twins when I was 19. And that's when I really decided, okay, I really need to prioritize community because I've got children now. It's not enough to just talk about it, so let's actually do something. I got a job at Portland Youth Builders. The job normally required a master's degree. I had to go back to school, and so that's when I went to PSU. Got my bachelor's degree in sociology with a double minor in Black Studies and social science. Portland State kept me sharp, kept me reading, kept me thinking, ultimately gave me this idea, which changed my life and has impacted the community in a substantial way. Creating a platform, Taking Ownership PDX, where allies can do some group economics, they can donate money or volunteer to give back to the Black community. We fix up Black-owned homes and upgrades small businesses in Portland, Oregon to fight back against gentrification and displacement. We do a lot of roofs. We try to prioritize weatherization and life safety issues. We're also trying to get into the green building. We need renewable energy in Black and brown communities. Hey, Bernetta, it's Randall with Taking Ownership. When I first started, I wore all those hats, I've had to learn how to run an organization, how to, manage people, budget money, bookkeep, a little bit of everything. My whole life, I had a lot of doubters in what I was doing. I had people telling me, like, why are you always doing stuff for other people? Why are you a social worker? Why don't you just get into sales and make real money? I literally did this because this is what I believe needed to happen in the community. And if nobody else is gonna do it, I've always had that mentality, like, I'll do it. I'll do it, and I did it with pure intentions. My late father, I made him super proud. He said stuff to me that I never even heard him say in my whole life before he passed. What this has done for me and what this does for the Black community, if you could just hear the feedback I get from the homeowners when you do this, it's just such a blessing. The actual work I'm doing right now is a Band-Aid on a gunshot wound. But the model itself, if this can become contagious, if this can spread, I think it can be powerful and make a big impact on our whole country. Having the people that I have in my corner is I was able to mold it to what I want it to be. Give it a shot and learn as you go.